Do you guys have one of these Briggs and Stratton powered mowers, or a mower with a Briggs and Stratton that has one of these primer bulb that's hard starting? Well, let me show you the cause of it. A lot of times, not every time, but most of the time. Pop this off, get your air filter off. Guys, you don't have to bend this back. I'm just doing that for demonstration purposes. Let's see if I can get the camera in there. Okay, if you see down in there, that should shoot a stream of gas when I pump the primer bulb. As you can see, there's no gas coming out. So I'll show you how to fix this without having to buy a new primer assembly. Super duper easy. Take these 3 5/16 off. Take your primer box. The gasket stayed on the mower. This is your primer box. What happens is these warp, they won't seal to create a prime. As you can see, the gasket stayed on that side. Take yourself, I got a bag of them. Take yourself another gasket. Put it on here on the primer assembly. All you're doing is going to double these gaskets up. Watch this. This will save you from having to spend 25 bucks on a primer base, and it'll make it so your mower starts nice and good when it's cold. And just like that, guys, now you can see a steady stream of fuel coming out of there. And there you have it. That's how you fix a warped primer box on a Briggs and Stratton without replacing it. Thanks for watching.